What's going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto here. Before we get the video started, as usual, I want to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. You guys keep me motivated to make these videos, and I do really appreciate it. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do. Also, tick the notification bell so you can get notifications anytime I drop a video. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So today I wanted to go ahead and take a look at how you can still use the Trust Wallet app with, PancakeSwap, Sushi, all these other decentralized exchanges that you used to be able to access through the app. They've since got rid of it, and a lot of people are confused on how to, buy and sell their coins on Pancake or whatever now that it's gone. So today I'm going to show you how to do that, how to connect your wallet, and you can do this on either your PC or your phone. It doesn't really matter. So anyways, let's hop over to Pancake and we can get started. All right, so I'm on the front page of PancakeSwap. Like I said, you can do this through your phone browser or just your browser on your computer. It doesn't matter, it'll work the same. Once you're here, you're gonna wanna go up to trade and then click on exchange. And then once you're at the exchange page, it should look familiar if you've used it before. We're gonna go ahead and click the connect button up in the top right. This will open this, and instead of clicking, trust or MetaMask like you normally would, we're gonna go ahead and pick the wallet connect option. It's gonna bring up this QR code right here, and with this we're gonna want to hop over to the Trust Wallet app where we can finish getting connected to this. All right, so I am on the Trust Wallet app on my phone. Once you're there, you're gonna want to go to the settings on the right, and then you should see a option for Wallet Connect. Once you press that, it will open your camera and it should just scan the QR code and connect. And then you're going to want to click the connect button, and as you do that, you should see the QR code go away, and you should see your BNB balance show up. Your address is up here and you guys are connected. So now you can do whatever kind of exchanging that you wanted to do. And this should work with Sushi and all these other decentralized exchanges, as the process is the same. But I know that a lot of the coins that we look at here on the channel are only available through PancakeSwap. So if you need to know how to do this, I know there was a little bit of confusion. There you go. That's going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace.